Seeking Alpha can help you become a better investor in several ways. Access to timely and accurate market news. Seeking Alpha provides up-to-date market news and analysis, helping investors stay informed about market trends and changes. Diverse range of investment ideas and perspectives. The platform features articles written by professional investors and analysts, as well as individual contributors, offering a wide range of investment ideas and perspectives. Research tools and resources. Seeking Alpha offers research tools and resources such as earnings call transcripts, market data, and charts that can help you make informed investment decisions. Educational content. Seeking Alpha provides educational content that can help you develop a better understanding of investing concepts, strategies, and techniques. Community engagement. The platform allows users to interact with each other, share investment ideas, and offer feedback and advice, creating a collaborative and supportive investing community. Overall, Seeking Alpha is a valuable resource for investors looking to improve their investing knowledge and skills. The platform offers access to a wealth of information, tools, and resources that can help investors make informed decisions and achieve their investment goals.